Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I do have a proposition for you. How about you guys challenge me in my next backdrop DIYs for the whole month? Sounds like a great idea, but I'm really excited, but I'm kind of nervous at the same time. Maybe you want to sabotage me? Maybe you love me and you're not gonna give me anything crazy. But you guys, what do you need to do in order to challenge me? I want you to leave a comment down below with a material or a supply that you want me to use in my upcoming backdrop DIY. I will be choosing 1 to 3 supplies per backdrop and make this challenge go for a month. I will be trying my best to make the prettiest and the most amazing backdrops with your supplies, and I will try to have as much fun and take you through this journey with me. If you're into that type of a challenge and that type of a game, then leave a comment down below, and without any further ado, let's get to today's backdrop. Would like to attach a lot of red poppy seeds flowers on my needles with pearls on top, and I will be pinning them on the fabric. These flowers, poppy seed flowers, I will link DIY for them in my description down below. So this is my finished backdrop for you guys. I really love how this frame is on a backdrop, and these flowers cascade out of this frame, and love what's going on here. I pin all of my flowers on a pin with a pearl on top. As you can see, it's kind of showing through the white little dots, and I try to pin them overlapping each other so it would give that more 3D, more piled look. How did I attach this frame on my backdrop frame? I took thicker fishing line and I tied my fishing line on both sides of the frame, and I took my fishing line all the way in the back. I tied my fishing line to the legs that hold the whole backdrop over here, and it holds really well. If you don't have a thicker fishing line, use whatever you have, but to make sure you give your fishing line several layers to be sure it's not gonna snap, and it's gonna hold the weight of the frame very well and very securely. I've been using this frame for other backdrops, and what I found out is that it's better to have a metal frame when you hang your frame on a backdrop, because metal is not going to weigh down as a PVC pipe, as you see here. And my backdrop usually stands pretty straight, but it weighs down this horizontal pipe and also kind of misshapes these 2 vertical pipes as well. So if you have a chance, use the metal frame and it would look a lot neater. Alright you guys, so in the comments down below, leave me your thoughts about today's backdrop. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will link the DIY for red flowers in my description down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos, and if you want to see the challenge, hit the subscribe button. Alright you guys, I will see you back very soon. Bye bye.